Hi, and thanks again for watching another EWI video. My name is Greg Aganowski. I'm the founder and CEO of EcoWash Industries. Here's one of 5 new companies we're helping get started this month, Innovative EcoWash Solutions. If you're doing your research now and you have not visited ecowashindustries.com, please do. If you're thinking about doing this business, I highly recommend you go to our video testimonial page, see what our past clients are saying. As they did their research and due diligence like yourself, as you're shopping around, figuring out how to get into this industry, we assure you when working with EcoWash Industries, not only are you going to get the best value on the equipment, the truck itself, but overall, the relationship we build with our clients and knowing how to do this business, because we are in this business as well. We're one of the only companies out there selling these systems who have gone out and procured our own municipalities. So the know-how of going out and capturing the business is much more valuable than you just getting a great price on the equipment. Again, there's others, you can shop, you can go out and buy your equipment anywhere, but if you're not learning from those companies how to really scale, we assure you the better value. When it comes down to our Kickstarter package, every customer working with us, logo design, website, the wrap is complimentary. When it comes to flying you in to Arizona for training, put you in a hotel, rent you a car, all these additional value, it's all part of our package. So give us a call anytime you want to learn more. Number is 480-789-0931, or feel free to visit ecowashindustries.com. There's a lot of great literature there, videos to watch. Again, my name is Greg Aganowski. I appreciate your time. Make it a great day.